Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the detailed topic of your writing section, that is the article writing. Students, it is quite important part and it consists of good marks. Therefore, I just want you to go through this video very carefully. Now let us see first of all that what is an article. So the article is a non-fictional writing. It describes any particular incident or discusses a theme or a social concern. You might have seen the articles in the newspaper or in the magazines. So the current concerns are being discussed or any social concerns are being discussed in those newspapers or magazines. Now let us see the parts of an article. So first of all, the title means the heading, and it tells us what the article is about. Students, you all are familiar that after reading the heading of any of the article, you can correlate that about which the topic is related to. Now, the next one is the name of the writer or author. Just after the heading, you have to mention the name of the writer or the author which is being given in your question. Then comes the body of the article, and the body contains three parts. First one is the introduction, second one is the development of ideas, and the third one is the conclusion. Now let us see some of the other important tips for writing the article. So the first important tip is read the question carefully. So many a times what happens, students, you just read the question and correlate it with some other topic and start writing the article. So it causes a lot of loss for yourself. So it is suggested that read the question very carefully, and after that write your ideas, then use expressions, and then you can add the quotations to make your article effective, and stick to the word limit. So what is the word limit for an article? That is 120 to 150 words. Let us see the sample article so that you will have some of the basic idea for the article writing. So the question is, newspapers report more cases of road rage than ever before. A road safety survey. So write an article in about 120 words for a local newspaper highlighting the issue of road rage in your article, and you should include following points in there. Express concern at the alarming increase in the number of cases of road rage. List some causes of this menace. Suggest practical ways to deal with the problem. Okay, so some of the clue points are given. Including them, you have to write an article. So first of all, as I have told you, you just make the points. Don't just start to write the article in one go. So first of all, you just write the points, means your ideas. So like you can make your ideas like this, that what is road rage, how do people do road rage, wrong driving, racing, verbal insult, female drivers, bothered, causes of road rage, stress, then hurry, traffic jams, poor road rush, noise and air pollution. And then suggestions, what can be the suggestions for this? That is, we must be courteous, well behaved, obey traffic rules, we must be sensitive, and we must remain relaxed while driving. That is the most important thing. And then for conclusion, we can conclude our article by writing that vehicle damage and repair can be helped by insurance claim, and we must take safety as a priority for everyone. Now let us write affair article. So what is the title for this? That is The Age of Road Rage by Ruchika Gupta. Here it is written. Then let us start our article. That is, road rage includes rude actions, verbal insult, physical threat or dangerous driving methods by one driver towards another in an attempt to show frustration. It can lead to altercations, assault and even collisions. So this will remain the introductory paragraph of the topic. Then road rage can be fatal also. People indulge in racing, disobey traffic rules and bother female drivers. Data indicates that in the last 3 months, 2,000 lives have ended due to road rage. People shed family and work-related stress on the road. They have become intolerant towards others. Then, everyone is in a hurry. To add up to the traffic jams, poor roads, noise and exhaust fumes have worsened the scenario. We must be courteous towards others, obey traffic rules, be sensitive, helping, respect females and remain relaxed. If there is any vehicular loss or damage, what we should do? We can take claim for repairs from the insurance company. So while we are on the road, safety of all must be our motto. So this is all your article. I hope you all have understood it. So students, I think you all have understood how to write an article, how to make it effective. You just keep in mind that first of all you have to write the heading, then the name of the writer and then the body of the article. So you just keep in mind, and first of all the introductory paragraph, then in the end you have to write the concluding one. Thank you.